Okay, I got my Glacier. I really do like it, except it is heavy. So it's tough to move around. I only have a couple beers in here. This side's heavy, that side's lighter. But, so I bought the wheels. All right, let's open it up and see how they work. Okay, hate that they put the label on top, but that's what they do. Okay. Oh, these are adhesion pieces, I believe. And nice wheels. Funky little screwdriver. Okay, all these parts. Okay, let's put it together. Okay, so now I lift it up and flip it over, and surprisingly it balances. So I thought that was kind of neat. Anyway, so I flip it over back this way and it balances, and now at the underneath on the back, you'll see location where you're going to be able to screw these wheels in. Put the wheels in, it goes into a little groove, and the screws are so that you can tighten them up by hand and then take them off when you don't need them. Like if you're putting them into the back of a truck or something and it's not deep enough, you can take the wheels back off. I think I'm going to leave mine on. All right, so now just screw them on nice and tight. You can do it with your fingers. Get both of them. Make sure you turn them so they're on the back going down. You can't mess it up. Just make sure that you tighten them nice and tight. All right, so now that I have all 4 of the screws on there, I'll double check them and make sure that they're good and tight before I work on the other side. Okay, I think these are in good shape, and now we'll just work on the other end. Okay, now I'm leaving it tilted up. You can stand it a little more vertical, whatever you feel like. There's these little screws at the bottom, and they hold this decorative piece. I'm not even sure what it's for, except to cover the areas where you're able to attach the handle. So unscrew them. They're 2 little black screws, and then these just pull off. Grab at the bottom and lift straight up. They'll come right off. All right, now that you remove these, you have to remove the screws that hold in the little metal piece that holds the other device in. So just unscrew them, take them out. You're not going to need them. Put them away in case you ever decide to take the handle off. All right, you'll see these metal pieces on the end. Now, when you go to put this piece in, make sure you put the handle facing down.
The handle to the bottom.
You'll see where the metal brackets are when this goes in.
Okay.
There's going to be an area where you're going to screw that together.
The screws go.
But first, you'll have 6 screws on the top that you need to screw down to hold this plastic thing in place. It's pretty sturdy, but they make it so that you can put this in, it holds it tight to the box, and then once you get all 6 of them screwed in, then screw in the metal bracket that holds the end of the handle, because that's what the bolt that goes through there is for. It's going to hold that handle. When you're pulling on the handle and everything, it's tied into the metal bracket. This is the one right here. You'll have 2 on this side, and then you're going to have 2 on the other side. They're all metal screws that they give you. Just tighten them in there nice and tight. I like using this instead of the screwdriver they gave you. This works a lot easier. I really like this DeWalt hand screwdriver or battery screwdriver. It works really well. All right, now go over to the other side and make sure you get that side screwed in also. It's real simple. It started to feel like it cross-threaded on me, so I stopped, went to the other one, and got that in nice and tight. And then I went back to this other screw, loosened it up, and then aligned it better and put it in, and it didn't cross thread. It went in nice. I think it's going to be fine. All right. Now you can test the handle, pulling it up, but you see all the sides on it. You're able to see all the screws and the brackets, and that's what they give you these other pieces for. Now, put it on its end again. Get these little plastic pieces. They already have the stickum on them. You peel this plastic off, and then the piece will have the glue on it that you're able to stick it onto the handle, the handle holder, whatever you want to call it. All right, just do both of them. It's pretty good. The first one I had a little trouble putting on, but I was able to peel it back off and then re-stick it, and it worked out pretty good. Get both of them on. It'll make your cooler look a lot better, look like it's supposed to be there, and now you'll be able to handle your cooler with no problem. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel.
Now it moves around nice and easy.